Week 10, made the mast and the boom, and it was not smooth sailing, believe me, just have a look. Right, that's the first white stave done. Can't believe it took me an hour to do that. Time really flies, and now I have to copy it. I have clamped both staves together now. Although this was copied from this one, it's still bigger. That's starting to look like a mast. I'm going to coat the inside faces on the white staves and these edges here and the spacers. Just in the time it took me to coat this, that has soaked in all the epoxy. There's nothing left. Nothing. Next coat. I mixed 100 grams for the first coat and 80 for the second. And this is all that's left of the second one. And about the same was left from the first one. That was messy. Wow, what a mess. I never expected this, but it's not going well, guys, not going well. The 30 minutes spotlight is gone now, so I really need to worry. Run out of resin as well on the small bucket. Murphy's Law, guys, just that's all I have to say. Even the battery ran out. Everything's going wrong now. Unbelievable. Not even my glove. This really caught me off guard. I was not expecting this to be so messy or complicated, or I just complicated it. I think the glue dispensing part was the biggest problem. Got me into trouble, and then didn't put enough on the first time, and when I started clamping, I couldn't see any squeeze out, so I thought, crap, I'm gonna have to open this and put more glue, and then it was a race. It's almost like panic mode. Good luck for me, good luck for you guys probably, and I hope someone makes a video how to properly glue a mast, because guys, don't try this at home. Nothing too elaborate this time, just a string from the top of the mast to the base, not touching any of the clamps. Okay, finished this mast comedy or horror movie, or I still don't know what to call it. but it was really messy, guys. I definitely did not expect it. My fault. I didn't really think it through, but I'm ready for the next horror movie, The Boom. And the mast does look straight. Doesn't feel like winter. Okay, I just remembered something. I still have the boom to do, so I'm gonna glue that, and while it dries, I'll do the rest of the mast then. I'm gonna use the leftovers of the mast, scrap wood basically, and I'm gonna create a boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of wood. That should be enough to make a boom. Let me show you how I plan to do it. Gonna have that one on top of that, then that one on top of that, and that one on top of that, and then I use this to create face here and on the other side, and a little bit there and on the other side. Sounds like a plan. What do you guys think? Well, I'm gonna try it. First thing I'm going to do is glue this one onto that one. Finally got hold of some microfibers. I'm going to start rounding off the mast, and to do that I'm going to draw a line 7 millimeters from the edge on this side, on that side, on each of the corners, and then I'm going to plane to the lines. And then I'm going to round those edges off. Right, the bottom of the mast needs to be tapered first before I can round them off. All you guys, boat building in summer. I'm in the middle of winter here and I'm soaking wet now. So, cheers guys. That's pretty straight. If anything, maybe a slight bend close to the tip. I'm quite happy with that. The mast is done for now, so let's get back to the scrappy boom. Wow, these microfibers are so much nicer to work with than ground fiber.
can't believe how hot it is. It's middle of winter and it's 25 degrees in here. Done all the glassing on the base of the mast. First coat, of course. Now I'm gonna have some lunch and then I'm returning and give it another 2 coats, I think. The mast and the boom are almost done. I need to sand the mast and then coat it again. Scrappy boom. Not quite sure what to say about it. It's quite alright when you put 10 kilos this way. Only bends about 11 millimeters, but can't understand why it flexes so much when you turn it sideways. That goes to 60 millimeters, which is a lot. I'm not even sure how this is going to turn out when sailing, but I'm going to give it a go. Still need to coat it, taper this end, add some holes for rigging. Hopefully there won't be too much wind right in the first place and it fails when the dude's here to inspect the boat. That would suck. No, I don't think so. So what do you guys think? Is it really important that it flexes a lot in this direction, since it doesn't flex hardly anything on this one? Leave your thoughts on the comment section below and let me know. It didn't take me more than 4 or 5 hours to make that of actual work. So if it doesn't work, not too much of a loss, I guess. It was scrap wood anyway. This week I worked 30 hours. Next week I'm going to finish the mast and the boom, and hopefully I will do the first 3D dry run. See you guys next week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.